The next question is the paracompletion question. Look at the last two lines of this text. When we examine our fear, we will often discover that it is irrational. There is no real basis or substance to our fear. This gives us a reason for the conclusion to happen in option C. That is why fear is often described as false evidence appearing real. False evidence, as there is no real basis and it is irrational. Option C hence makes for the correct answer. Option B connects to the first sentence of the paragraph, but it cannot follow the last lines of the passage. Option A and D are not relevant to a given idea. The next question again is a paracompletion question. The paragraph ends by explaining that reflecting buildings are different from other buildings in the city and that they reside in the city in a very different way. Option A carries forward the idea of contrast between reflecting buildings and other buildings. It also explains how reflecting buildings reside in a city. Option B can be eliminated because it contains an additional element of vacant houses, which has not been mentioned in the passage. Similarly, tragic emptiness in option C goes beyond the scope of the paragraph. Option D can be eliminated because it talks about buildings, while the last lines of the paragraph only talks about reflective buildings. Also, the passage does not deal with filling empty spaces. Hence, the correct answer is option A.